great the past 2 weeks. Like, it's not like terrible at all. It's just like weird. Like, I will be just as tired as I normally am and like want to go to sleep early and stuff like that, but then like I will wake up like 3 hours later and like not be able to go back to sleep. So I'll go to sleep at like 8 and then wake up at 11. I can't go back to sleep until like 6 a.m. and it just like ruins my whole like day, I guess. I don't know, because then I'm like tired, but then don't like naps because like whatever. Anyway, so then like also I have been like having
1 mile, turn left onto West Parker Road.
I have also been having like really bad like stomach aches and stuff like that, indigestion and like acid reflux and stuff like that. And then I have also been like randomly crying like out of nowhere, and I'm like, why is this happening? Or like have the need to cry but I can't cry. And so like I don't know, it's just weird and I don't know like what's going on. And then like the other day I woke up at like 2:30 or 3. Maybe it was like 2:30. And it's like always around the same times too. Like anyway, so I woke up and I was kind of like wide awake and I was like, okay, this kind of sucks. Like, should I just get up and like maybe go for a walk or something, or I don't know, like. So, but like I just chilled and like got some coffee, and I was like, because sometimes coffee like has the opposite effect of me. It'll like make me go to sleep like after I have some. I don't know, it's weird. So got up, had coffee, blah blah blah, and then like out of nowhere, like I have this urge. Out of nowhere, like I have this urge to like be productive. I'm like, okay, well, I should just follow this feeling and just like start looking at shit like that I knew that might be like the right steps like to take next in my like career or whatever. And this is so awkward. I bet this like person next to me is like watching me talk to you. But like I've also been asking like the universe to tell me like what is the next step for me. Like I would know exactly what I want. Like I've written it down. I can picture myself and like the feeling of doing it and everything. And so I was like, well, maybe just like go with it. So I had this like plan of like to do certain things, and like I was like, I don't know if I should like apply to like get another degree, because like most of the time like you don't even need like a degree. It just like looks good on paper. Like nobody like, it's more about the experiences that you have and stuff like that. But in order to be like really actually change something in the world, like I feel like I might need at least the degree to get me like maybe eventually to law school or something. So I was like, well, let me just do this.
Stay in the right 3 lanes.
Like, so anyway, I applied to like get another degree.
1 mile, the destination is on your right. Arbor Hills Nature Preserve.
So I applied to this degree, like to get this degree, and like I wanted it to be 100% online. Like I don't know how I'm gonna pay for it, and I'm like, you know what? The money will come. Like I'll figure it out. Like, because I just feel like I have a gut feeling to do it, so I feel like I should just do it. And then also like fill out this other stuff to try and get me to like where I want to be. Like I think I like took the right steps or whatever. Anyway, so like then this morning it was like 3:30. Well, I woke up at like 2:30. I woke up at 3:30, and then around 4 is when I was like scrolling through TikTok, and like this, like most of my TikToks like on my For You page are like animals, like cows and stuff like that. And like out of nowhere, like it was like this girl saying like, you are mentally exhausted if you have these symptoms. And like I was like, yep, crying out of nowhere, can't sleep or wake up in the middle of the night, stomach aches, indigestion, all this other stuff too. And then like and then I was like, that was weird, like that never happens. And then like another one came up like a few scrolls later. It was like you might have like adrenal fatigue if like you have these symptoms. I was like, Well, that was how I used to feel. Like, I was just tired all the time for no reason. And I was like, well, that's just depression and like that. But anyway, I was just like, okay, well, I need to get up now because something is telling me, like, I need to get up and, like, figure it out, make this a good day, like, find out what other steps I can take. Anyway, so I felt the need to come for a hike at this nature preserve 30 minutes away in Plano, which is North Dallas. North of Dallas, it's not North Dallas, it's a suburb north of Dallas. So I thought I would come take you because I don't know. And then, like, I was on the way here still reading this book that I'm oh my gosh. I was on the way here still reading this book that I'm reading and, like, randomly cried. And I was like, okay, this is obviously I need to go here because I need some serotonin up in here. So I thought that I would show you what Arbor, because I've never been here. And it looks like so pretty. So I thought I would come show you Arbor Hills Nature Preserve and see what it's about.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, you're my sailing ship. Guide me in when you head for your trip. Right out of this wicked black and into bright sand. Straight towards the warm sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, whisper in my ear, make my troubles all disappear. Way on this wicked black, I'll feel the soft sand. Right under the warm sun in his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. When I get closer. Let me know when I get closer. Open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout. Let me know when I get closer. Open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout. Loud. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. When I get closer, will I get closer? Will I get closer? I'll walk all of the miles you want me to walk. push you away, don't push you away, keep your head low. There is nothing there, there is nothing there, now you know. Don't lose your way, don't lose your way, you'll find it all. I'll walk, I'll walk, I'll walk all the distance I need to. I'll walk all of the miles you want me to walk. You are my rainbow, you are my cape, you are my sanity in this race. You are the silence, you are the stillness, you are the main star in my play. Better shake with me, soon we'll see. There is a sign to lead us home. Embracing the mist in my eyes, I'll be waiting till the day comes, wrapping my tears with steel, navigating this crazy wheel.
I did not film a outro for this, but I didn't even finish like the trail where it ended. Anyway, whatever. I suck. But the past month or so hasn't been the easiest, and I've been like telling myself to go outside, even like at least in the mornings now, like that it's like a little cooler, so that I can try and have good days and stuff like that. But like I think now like I'll start to try and push myself even more and like go camping again, because I keep getting like not scared, like I don't know, like nervous, and like I ended up not like go camping or like I don't know, just stupid stuff. Like again, I'm trying to push myself outside of my comfort zone and just freaking do it so that I can stop being freaking sad girl, sad boy hour all the time. But hopefully this next week, like I'll go do something fun and show you, and hopefully like it inspires you to like not give in to sadness and stuff. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe because that helps me and makes me feel better. And also like if you are nice enough, I do have Venmo to help pay my rent since I'm unemployed now. But yeah, just go subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Okay, bye.